Heavy rain and landslides have once again disrupted the Char Dham Yatra in Uttarakhand. Roads leading to Kedarnath, Badrinath, Yamunotri and Gangotri are blocked in places due to landslides. Major rivers like the Bhagirathi, Alaknanda and Mandakini are flowing near the danger mark in the upper reaches. Authorities are taking no chances after last year when flash floods and landslides killed thousands of pilgrims. This time a warning was given on Tuesday by the Met Department, and authorities had told all pilgrims to be alert. The NDRF, police, home guards have been deployed to deal with the situation, and heavy rain is forecast over most areas of Uttarakhand for today and tomorrow as well.
River levels have obviously increased when compared to the previous day, but they are all under safer limits only. So we have not suspended the yatra, and we have shifted some few families which were lying very close to the river banks. Apart from that, everything is under control. We have not suspended the yatra at Gangotri and Yamunotri because of the prevailing weather conditions. Though high alert was issued for both yesterday and today, even then locally we didn't find much rains. So we not stop the yatra yesterday. We are yet to take a call because the local DFO who is put up there, he was reassessing the situation. We have been issued high alert for today also, but even then we are assessing the situation on the field because yesterday also it was a high alert day, but yesterday the rainfall was completely, it was lesser when compared to the previous days. That's why we did not suspend the yatra.
And earlier, NDTV's Zafar Iqbal spoke to us from Rishikesh. He spoke to some pilgrims as well, and it seemed they were not informed about the situation.
The weather warning was yesterday and today. I'm here at Rishikesh on the banks of the Ganga. If the camera can show, the river is flowing near to the danger mark, some of the rivers in Uttarakhand. But then that's not stopping the people. Pilgrims are coming here in large numbers. Though the yatra has been officially halted, the Kedarnath Yatra was already suspended, but other yatras have also been halted. But we've been speaking to people here. They say they don't have enough information about that, and most of the pilgrims have already left for the yatra, and some have in fact returned. Here I'm joined by some of the pilgrims. Let's also speak to them. They just come back. आप बताइए, आप ऊपर गए किस तरह से? वहाँ पे काफी लैंडस्लाइडिंग हुई है रास्ते में, क्या हालात है?
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं हुआ, यात्रा बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई। दिक्कत वाली इसमें कोई
तो आपको किसी ने कोई खबर दी कि यात्रा रोक ली गई है या किसी ने रोका आपको?
नहीं, हमें किसी ने नहीं रोका, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं, यात्रा हमारी एकदम सफल रही।
अभी भी काफी लोग जा रहे हैं, हालांकि ऑफिशियली तो यात्रा रोक ली गई है, तो फिर ये कैसे जा रहे हैं?
जी कोई यात्रा नहीं रोकी है जी, ऐसे बिल्कुल साफ रास्ता है, भीड़ तो कम है, बिल्कुल सही तरीके से जा रही है।
ऊपर बोल रहे हैं बड़ा खतरा है क्योंकि दरिया जो है वो काफी ज्यादा पानी आ गया है दरिया में, तो काफी डेंजर। पिछले साल आपने देखा क्या हुआ, फिर भी लोग जा रहे हैं।
नहीं जी, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, बिल्कुल ठीक है जी, नॉर्मल है, कोई डेंजर से कोई खतरा नहीं है जी।
So as you can see, Gargi, people are still going ahead, though officially the yatra has been stopped, as I was saying. So clearly there is lack of coordination. Perhaps the authorities need to tell them very clearly that it's been stopped. Also, people living in the higher reaches have been asked to move to safer places. Some of the schools have been vacated for them and they have been asked to go there. Clearly authorities are not taking any chances. And we've also told that there were a few hundred pilgrims who were stranded along the yatra routes. They have also been taken to safer locations. So clearly this time around they're not taking any chances, and for now there is no damage to life or property, though the yatra has been stopped for now.